everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. Today I want to talk to you about data backup and recovery. From tax records to client information, your data is essential in running your business. Whether it's lost to an unanticipated natural disaster, or even worse, it's stolen, you want to make sure that you can recover that data so your business can continue to thrive and grow without losing clients. Data backup and recovery is the most important service you can sign up for. We at Larry the Computer Guy specialize in computer, data, and hard drive backup, as well as system recovery. We use a unique system that backs up all of your domain and server information and stores it in a dissimilar server offsite, so you'll always be able to reaccess your data quickly. With data backup and recovery services from us, you will benefit. Here's how. Plan for unexpected issues. They happen to everyone, and they can happen at any time. Take preventative measures today. Safeguard and defend your business. Larry the Computer Guy protects your data, network, and systems from hacking or virus threats, so you can focus on more important issues. Don't wait long for recovery. When your network goes down and data is lost, we'll have it back for you in no time. Regardless of your business size, you need dependable data backup and recovery. We at Larry the Computer Guy can provide that to you. Call today and prevent the unexpected from ruining your business.